how to fix Instagram account not showing in search. So if you want to fix the Instagram account not showing in search, then what you need to do is first you need to just tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with the app info and tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to open up your Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with search, and under search you need to search for Instagram, and if you have any updates under your Instagram, then you just need simply go and update it. After updating, you can restart your device and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, and even after that, if you are searching for a person and if it's not being able to show their profile, then it means that the other person might have deactivated their account or just deleted their account. Or if they've not deactivated or deleted, and if you have that person's account showing in your friend's device, then it means that they might have blocked you. Or the other reason is you might have blocked them. So you need to check your block list. You can go with the profile and go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar, scroll down, and here you need to go with blocked. And under blocked, you will have the accounts. Now, if you have blocked that person, then you can just simply go with unblock, which will be on the right side. And after unblocking, you'll be able to have their account. So that's how you can fix Instagram account not showing in search. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.